Hello children, welcome to grade 3. Today our topic punctuation mark. Okay, children listen, look at this board. Punctuation. Punctuation marks, capital letter, full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, comma. These we called punctuation marks. Okay, so this is full stop. This is full stop. This is question mark. Okay, this is the symbol of question mark. This is the symbol of exclamation mark. And then this is the symbol of comma. Okay. Children, let's see punctuation mark. First one, capital letter. Okay, a sentence always begin with the capital letters. Okay, a sentence always begins with the capital letter. Okay, children, look at this example.
Arjun
Runs well.
Arjun
Runs well. And then my mother is a doctor. My mother is a doctor. May I come in? May I come in? Okay. So listen children. A sentence always begin with the capital letter.
Arjun
My first letter capital. May first letter capital. Okay. A sentence always begins with the capital letter. Okay. Then listen children. The single. Okay. The single letter I. The single letter I denoting myself. Okay, the single letter I denoting myself. Okay, so it's always written in capital. Okay, so we always written in this I capital. Okay, mind it children. Then proper nouns begins with capital letters even if they comes in the middle of a sentence. Okay, children, proper nouns begins with capital letters. Okay, proper noun begins with a capital letter even they fall in the middle of the sentence. Okay, listen this example. My name is Radha. My name is Radha. Here Radha is proper name. Okay, so the proper nouns begins with capital letters if they fall in the middle of a sentence. Okay, if they fall in the middle of the sentence. Children, let's see full stop. Okay, full stop is used at the end of the assertive sentence. Okay, the full stop. Children, let's see full stop. Okay, full stop is used in the end of the assertive sentence. Okay, so full stop is used at the end of assertive sentence. Look at these examples. The same examples.
Arjun
Runs well. It's a assertive sentence, so I keep full stop at the end of a sentence. My mother is a doctor. It's also assertive sentence, so end of the sentence I keep full stop. Okay, then I'm cooking to the party. I'm cooking to the party. This is also assertive sentence, so end of the sentence I keep full stop. Okay, children, let's see question mark. Okay, it's a question mark. Listen, the question mark is used at the end of interrogative sentences. End of interrogative sentences. Look at this example. How much milk do you drink in a day? It's an interrogative sentence, so end of the sentence we use question mark. Okay, why are you upset? Why are you upset? Okay, this also interrogative sentence, so at the end of the interrogative sentence we use question mark. Okay, an exclamation. Okay, exclamation is used. Listen, this is exclamation. Okay, exclamation is used at the end of exclamatory sentences. Okay, at the end of exclamatory sentences. Listen children, listen carefully. We also add an exclamation after the interjection. Okay, after the interjection. Children, look at this example. Look how tall the building is. How tall the building is. Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you? I lost my keys. I lost my keys. Okay, so we use exclamation mark at the end of an exclamatory sentences, and then we also add an exclamation after interjection. Okay, children, let's see comma. It's a comma. Okay, so listen children, we put commas between words when they are listing qualities or items, or to make a slight pause while speaking. Okay, listen, look at the sentence. Meena, comma, Ritu, comma, Poonam are good friends. Okay, children, then we do not add comma when listing two things. Okay, at the time we use only and. Okay, we do not use comma. Okay, mind it children. I give one example. Rupa, comma, Raja are friends. Okay, it's a wrong sentence. Okay, we do not add a comma when listing only two things. Okay, here we use only and. Rupa and Raja. Rupa and Raja are good friends. Okay, so this is the correct sentence. Then listen children, we do not put a comma before the list of items on a list. Okay, so we do not put a comma before the last item. Okay, last items on the list we do not use comma. Okay, we use only and. Okay, children, rewrite the sentences using full stops, question marks and exclamation marks. Okay, listen. Did you see the sunrise today? Did you see the sunrise today? It's a interrogative sentence. So end of the sentence we use question mark. Okay, good. The next sentence. What a beautiful flower it is. What a beautiful flower it is. Okay, it's a exclamation mark. Okay, exclamation marks we are going to use at the end of the sentence because the sentence is exclamation sentence. Okay, and the last one, the snake was very long. It gives information. Okay, it gives information, so it's a assertive sentence. So end of the sentence we use full stop. Okay, thank you children, we will meet in the next video.